Hi guys, welcome to another training in this section. In this video I am going to show you how to convert text to speech. That is, any text you can change it to mp3 in an audio format. The first thing that you are going to do is to go to Play Store, then type Google Speech Engine. You can see Google Speech Engine here. I have it already on my phone. In your own case, you need to download it. Then after download, then you can now search for the second application that we are going to use, which is T2S text to speech. Click on it. Then you download or install. I have it also on my phone, and you can see that it's asking me to upgrade. You can download it. Then you come back to your home page. After downloading, you are going to see the T2S application on your phone. This is the application. Open it. The application is blank now. Before we begin to type the word that we want to do, let me quickly show you some settings in this application. This is the settings over here. Click on it. Then you can now see where to select the speech service by Google. You can click it, or you use the default speech engine from the application, that T2S. You can use it, but it is preferable that you use Google service engine, because you will have different options to use different language when you use Google service. Alright, click on it. You can now see that you have option to change from English or any other language. Click on English. You can now see that you can change different language here, Spanish, whatever that you want to use. You can see different language here that you can change to. Okay, then under your English, you can also choose country type of English. We have different kind of intonation. If you want to speak the way Indian people we speak, will be different from how British we speak. Our accent is different. You can click on it. You can choose any one of them. Then you can manage your voice too. When you manage your voice, you come to the English that you want to use. In this place, you are going to see the kind of accent that you want to use. You can see English. If it is Australia accent that you want to use, you click on Australia. If it is India accent you want to use, you click on India. If it is English that you want to Nigeria that you want to use, you click on Nigeria. And as you can see, we have only one type of accent for Nigeria. If it is UK, we have different voice for UK. Let me just try to play so that you can hear different voice.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
You can see different accent or different way of saying it in UK English. When you choose Nigeria, we only have one for Nigeria.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Then if you choose India,
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
alright. So let me use UK voice for my own.
This is an example of speech synthesis in
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay. Then you can increase or decrease the speech rate like this, or reduce it. But I would advise you to put both of them into 1.1. Then you can select your theme. You can change your theme color. Done. You can see the color have changed. Then you can choose the background color, light. You can see. You can choose dark. You can see black. That is that for that. Now you can now type in the word that you want to convert to audio. For example, let me say good morning. Mr. James. Then you click on play.
Good morning, Mr. James.
Let me go and copy something. Then you play.
First time seller. Everything you need to find a product and start your Amazon business.
Also, you can change the settings here. Click here. You can change it to, you can change the text style. You see whether you want it to be fade or you want it to be bold. You can see the way when I'm moving this text here is fading and bold. Alright, then you can increase your font size here. You can see the way I'm increasing it, and if you want to increase your font size of this. Alright, you can still do some settings to decrease the speech rate, reduce it so that it will not be too fast. Then
Get your product up and running on Amazon with a successful launch. Get reviews.
okay, so after everything you can now save your audio. You can now save it here. Then you select export as audio file. Then you select where you want it to be. Then you are going to give it a name. Let me just say testing. Then you click on save. Then allow you to export. You can now see that your audio has been saved successfully. Minimize the app or you close it. Then you go and look for the file in your file manager. You can see it here, the one that we just did. These are the ones that I've done before. Thank you.